meow. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Hello mga meow, meow, meow. Kumusta kayo? 1, 2. Meron pa sa labas yung isa. Ayun po yung isa. Dito na meow, meow na black. Yun si meow, meow black. Hi, hello meow, meow black. How are you? What are you doing? Tapos ito pa yung isa. Hi, hello. Hello to you. How about you? Mashlomek. How are you? Hi. Yehey. Yan. Saan kayo pupunta? Where are you going? Mga meow? Wala, close na yung pinto. The door is all closed. Hindi kayo makapasok. Diyan kayo, ha? Okay, bye-bye. Bye, meow, meow. Bye. Bye, black cat.